Well, Tricia, this is working out pretty good. I'll keep bringing the plants and you keep planting them.
Thanks for your help, Danny.
Now, how can you really go wrong with planting plants like this? I mean, they seem pretty healthy, but just put them in the ground, you've got good soil. Any problems with that?
Well, you can put them straight in the ground, but you know, there are ways to give them a little bit of a head start.
Okay, good.
And one thing that I like to do is, after digging the hole the right size, I put in a little amendment, or in this instance, a little compost, just to give a little bit of nutrition.
I see.
And then I put some water right now.
Water it before you ever even plant it?
Absolutely. Well, if you take a look at this primrose, you can see its leaves are a little bit wilty.
Yeah, it is kind of sad looking, isn't it?
It is. So when I put this in the soil, it's going to get those, get the water into the roots immediately.
Okay, well that makes sense.
And what happens with a lot of gardeners is you get involved and you think, well, I'll go back and water it at the end of the day.
Right, easy to forget, isn't it?
Easy to forget,
Yeah.
and that sometimes at that point it's a little bit too late. So how I finish it off is I water it right now, right when I put it in this space. And then something else that I always like to do is give it just a little bit of a basin. See what I'm doing here with the trowel?
Similar to what you would do with planting a full tree.
Correct. Yeah, just a little bit of an area where when you put the water, when you pour the water there, it's going to catch it and give it a little bit more time to sit.